Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have had so much fun coloring with my new marker set, and these are not your average markers. The set is by Diyeever, and it is phenomenal. So these are acrylic markers, and they flow so smoothly on your paper. These have been really fun to color with. They would be great for calligraphy. You can use them on all types of surfaces like rocks, pumpkins, paper, fabric, leather, pretty much anything. And the colors of these stay so vibrant. Because of how thick the ink is, it's really cool. You can even take a lighter color and draw on top of a darker color, and you will be able to see the lighter color stand out. They have amazing assortment of colors. There's 72 of them, and they even have some nice shimmery pens for those of us that like a little extra pizzazz in our art. This is a great set whether you are a professional artist or just a hobbyist like me that just likes to have nice colors all around you. So if you are looking to up your art game with the most amazing markers, I highly recommend this set. You will have so much fun, but that's just my point of view.